is for ant, tiny and small. B is for baby, giggling for all eyes. C is for car, zooming so fast. B is for drum, boom, boom, toot, toot. E is for egg, yummy and round. F is for flower, growing in the ground. G is for goat, jumping up high. H is for helicopter, up in the sky. No. I is for insect, tiny and quick. J is for jeep, off on a trip. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for leaf, swaying on a tree. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nose, smelling just right. O is for ostrich, running so fast. P is for parrot, talking at last. Q is for quail, tiny and cute. R is for rabbit, hopping in a loop. S is for sunflower, yellow and tall. T is for tomato, round like a ball. U is for umbrella, keeping me dry. V is for vegetables, healthy, oh my. W is for watch, ticking all day. X is for xylophone, playing in my head. Y is for yogurt, creamy and sweet. Z is for zoo, where animals belong.